In this video, I'll be showing you how to convert video to audio on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally any iPhone you have. Now to do this, we're going to go ahead and download an application known as CapCut from the App Store, which is completely free. So go ahead and download it if you haven't already. Then what we want to do is open up the CapCut application. When you open it up for the first time, it's probably going to look something like this. Go over to the edit tab, which is on the bottom left, and then we're going to press new video. Now, what you want to do is find whichever video you want to go ahead and do this with. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one right here. Then go ahead and press add. And then what you want to do is, if it is a current video right now, all I want to do is on the top right, go ahead and press AI UHD. And then I can change what sort of like thing it's going to be. So if I want to, I can just delete the video clip and then just extract the audio from any video I have. So if I want to extract the audio from this one, all I got to do is press add, and now it just has the audio. And now I can go ahead and export it if I want to, just as such. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.